This video is about how I put these wheel covers on my car. It happens to be a 2020 Ford Edge with 18-inch tires. So these are called skins, I guess, and they just went on top of my existing wheels. And they were about $100 for the four. To get rims that are black runs about $1,800, and I'm just not going to spend that. So this is my compromise. Wasn't hard to put in, and this will, if you follow through, you can do it yourself. But the trickiest part is just pulling this little cap off, which turned out not to be so hard. Here you go. The first thing is to get this cap off, which I used. Remember these? If you're of a certain age, you might. So I don't want to scrape up my car. Sorry, I only have one hand, so I put a second piece behind it. It's just a thin piece of metal I have for other projects, but that popped right off. You see there's just 4 clips and they go in there, and I pulled that off. And then this, what they call skins these days, that's what I'm putting on, which has a little this cap in the back. Now the instructions recommend putting this back on at the back, but I'd have to pull all 4 tires off to do that, and I'm not going to. So I'm just going to trust that it's going to hold, because it does have, see, these clips here, tension clips are going to clip right into here in the same way that the Ford cap did. So hopefully that holds them on. If not, then I guess they'll end up as road debris. I think we'll be okay. So I'm just setting it in place, line it up with the stem. Good hard pop. And there we are. And then this, if you see, there's holes provided to line up with these guys. So it's a matter of just popping it in, and there we have a really dramatic change in how this car looks. And frankly, the reason I did that is it's a gold car with a lot of black trim, and silver wheels just didn't, I don't know, just didn't look good to me. So here we are. So this is the front side, or the driver's side. And this is the passenger side. And I'll include a picture of the before, what it looked like. But I think that just looks so much nicer. It's a prettier car. When I was car shopping, the car I really wanted had black rims, but the dealership seemed to just not want to sell me the car. So I ended up buying this one, which is a good car, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. And it's my second Ford Edge. I guess that says something.